Welcome to AI Tech Review. Today, we're talking about one of the hottest AI coding tools of 2026, Cursor AI.
Cursor is really making waves. It's essentially an AI-native IDE built on top of VS Code, completely different from a regular editor. Simply put, it embeds AI into every step of your coding workflow. As you type, it predicts what you're about to write. When you hit a problem, it helps you fix it. You can even give it a task and it'll handle it on its own.
So what are its core features exactly?
3 core features. First, tab completion, faster and more accurate than GitHub Copilot. Just type a variable name and it can infer entire blocks of logic. Second, AI chat, you can have a conversation with AI right inside the editor. Ask it to explain code, refactor logic, or write tests. Third, agent mode, the most talked about feature. Just describe a task, like building a user login module, and it plans the steps, creates the files, and writes all the code.
I heard Cursor released version 3.0 this year with a major overhaul?
That's right. Cursor 3.0, released in April 2026, is the biggest rewrite ever. It evolved from an editor into an AI agent-first programming workbench. The biggest highlight is parallel agents. Before, you could only run one AI task at a time. Now you can run 10 to 20 agents simultaneously, locally, in the cloud, or over SSH. There's also a feature called automations, AI that works around the clock. When your codebase updates, Slack messages come in, or a new GitHub PR is opened, it can auto-trigger tasks. There's even Bugbot, it automatically reviews code every time you submit a PR. It's already found millions of vulnerabilities.
How does it compare to Claude Code, which we covered last time?
They have completely different positioning. Claude Code takes a terminal deep approach, ideal for complex large-scale refactoring. Cursor is more about daily IDE assistance, emphasizing real-time completion and visual operations. In terms of numbers, Claude Code achieves an 80.9% pass rate on SWE bench with higher accuracy on complex tasks. Cursor's strength is daily coding efficiency, its tab completion is nearly zero latency. Here's an interesting stat, for the same task, Claude Code consumes only about 1/5 the tokens Cursor does. That's a massive efficiency gap. But Cursor has a free tier. Claude Code doesn't. That's a big deal for many developers.
So what are the pitfalls to watch out for with Cursor?
The biggest trap is overage fees. Cursor Pro is $20 a month, which sounds reasonable, but if you exceed your usage limits, the extra costs add up quickly. Memory usage is another concern. It's built on VS Code, which isn't lightweight to begin with. Add AI features on top, and machines with less than 16 GB of RAM will struggle. Then there's privacy. If you're using cloud AI, your code gets sent to their servers. For commercial projects, make sure to enable privacy mode.
What about the pricing details?
Cursor has several tiers. Hobby is free with 2,000 completions and 50 premium AI calls per month. Pro is $20 a month, suitable for individual developers. This year they introduced Pro Plus at $60 a month, with unlimited agent calls. The top tier Ultra is $200 a month and includes a cloud VM for private deployment. Teams is $40 per user per month, significantly cheaper than Claude Code's $150 per user.
So what's your personal recommendation?
Most experienced developers are going with a dual setup. Use Cursor for daily coding and rapid prototyping, Claude Code for complex refactoring and automation. Combined, it's about $40 a month. Specifically, use Cursor's tab completion and chat for everyday coding. When you hit a large refactoring or cross-file changes, switch to Claude Code and let it run autonomously. They complement each other perfectly.
Any final advice for our audience?
If you haven't tried AI coding tools yet, start with Cursor's free tier. It's the lowest barrier to entry. If you're already a power user, going dual with Cursor and Claude Code is currently the optimal setup.
This is AI Tech Review. See you next time.